I've installed a weather station to collect weather data from the Kauri Trees property. It's a solid state weather station that has no moving parts in it. On the top there's a haptic rain sensor that measures the rainfall and calculates the volume over time. So there's no bucket to empty. In the middle between the two components, it uses ultrasonic sensors to measure the wind direction and wind speed. The ultrasonic transmitter transmits ultrasonic sound waves to the sensors below, and the deflection of the sound waves is used to calculate the wind speed and direction. The sensing assembly uses a solar cell to keep it powered, and it has a backup battery in the event that there's not enough sunshine. The spikes that are mounted around the perimeter are an anti-bird device. The data collected gets transmitted to a receiving station that I've mounted in a box below. Because there's no power on site, I've set up a solar cell to charge a backup battery and power the receiving station. The data that's collected gets stored on a micro SD card, so they can be removed from time to time and downloaded to my laptop. I'm hoping the data collected can be used to correlate weather information with tree growth rates over time. There's no weather station close by, so if it can't be used for that, at least I'll know myself what the weather's doing from year to year. I've installed two solar collectors to charge the battery. One's facing north and the other's facing west. Quite often, late afternoon sunshine becomes available even if there's been a cloudy day. So capturing as much sun as I can, keep the battery charged and keep the unit recording data is my objective. All the components are fitted into a waterproof box with a snap close lid, and then I've just put some shade cloth over the top of it to deflect any direct rain. So hopefully that will be reasonably durable. All packed up and ready to do its job. If you enjoy the content and want to follow this unique project, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more videos over the coming months and years to record the progress of this unique project. Thanks for watching.